Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Zenefits Payroll and confirm deposits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of withdrawing from Zenefits Payroll, first, log into your Zenefits account. Navigate to the Payroll section of your dashboard. Locate the specific pay period you wish to withdraw from. Click on the View Details option for that pay period. Review the earnings and deductions for accuracy. If everything appears correct, proceed to initiate a withdrawal. Select the Withdraw option prominently displayed on the screen. You may be prompted to confirm your identity for security purposes. Once confirmed, choose the bank account you wish to withdraw funds to. Enter the withdrawal amount carefully. Take a moment to review the details of your withdrawal request. If all information is correct, click on the Submit button. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message indicating the withdrawal has been processed. Next, to confirm the deposit, navigate to the Transactions section of your account. Look for the most recent deposit entry related to your withdrawal. Verify that the amount matches what you requested. If the transaction appears correctly, you can rest assured the funds are on their way. If there are any discrepancies, contact Zenefits customer support immediately. Monitor your bank account for the deposit. Typically, deposits may take a few business days to process. Once the funds have arrived in your account, double-check the statement for accuracy. This completes the process of withdrawing from Zenefits Payroll and confirming your deposits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.